How to become a power host on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can become a power host on Turo. To become a power host on Turo, you need to meet certain performance requirements and maintain a high level of service. So the first step would be for you to meet all star host requirements. So ensure your vehicles consistently receive high ratings and complete trips. Okay, you need to have at least 4 vehicles on Turo that have each at least one completed trip during the past 365 days, which is 1 year. That is, you must have at least 4 vehicles on Turo, in which at least one of them have completed a trip during the past 365 days. Then you have to maintain high earnings, okay? And at least $36,000 over the past 1 year, and that's where you will become a power host. Another thing you must do is to stay active. Keep your calendar and settings up to date to avoid canceling on guests, and that's where you have. If once you keep an active calendar, you have a high chance of becoming a power host. Another thing is that you must have an excellent customer service. Maintain a high rating, okay? About 85%, 5-star reviews, and provide a great guest experience. That's where you also start the chance. And lastly, track your performance, okay? Use the performance tab in the Turo website to monitor your progress and make improvement. And then once you meet these requirements, Turo will invite you to join the Power Host program, which offers perks like priority customer support, specialized claims support, and access to business insight. So ensure you try all of this out and you are on your way to becoming a Power Host on Turo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.